Okay, so this is the look. My sister's so good at makeup. So I had to do my hair. I'm trying to decide between leaving it down or doing like, just because I could also do a high pony with curls like this. Or a high messy bun. I think a high messy bun. Like, I think this is gonna look really nice if I just do something like this. Or cleaner, like this. The venue is a lot farther today, so we have to leave quite early to get there on time. So far, seems like we're on time. I'm going to use a little bit of Anti-Frizz deep smoothing serum. This is by Biolage. Just put that all over my hair. I want to leave out. Thinking. This much. Seems like this will go back. But at the same time, this is kind of like part of my natural front wig. I feel like if I leave that much, I'm gonna have to trim this. I think I've decided on leaving that much for that I cut a little, and then the back, that to the back, this all to the back. So it's all gonna go back. And I think this one's bigger, so I'm gonna more hair here. What do you guys think? Well, it'll be too late by the time this posts for me to get opinions, but I might even try. I'm just figuring out the placement. Putting this higher. My sister did this once. She had a look that was just like a high one. I just feel like I like that. I forgot I was recording, but yeah, so I'm gonna put it up here. Okay, like it's been so long. I'm still playing around with the height of the bun. Like, can't get it exactly where I want it. It's like, is that symmetrical? I'm gonna go ask my sister. Okay, so I chose this like highlighter yellow bindi because I was like pop of color because I'm wearing all black. I think it's perfectly in the middle. It's gonna cut my little bit of white hair right there so it doesn't show as much. The look. Okay. Just be careful because I don't want to get this all over my face. 1 second. You see? You see? Okay. And I sprayed that up and I do this side a little. Woo! I feel good. I'm happy with this. I'm actually really happy with this. So there. That's the look. I'm gonna go put my outfit on and show you guys the completed picture. This is the look. Okay, also, I love this. Just trying to figure out how much scrunch I want in the center. Oops, sorry guys. Scrunch I want in the center, or like how much I want my belly to really show versus how I think I like it like that. I'm trying to like learn to like, I'm not very good at posing. So I'm trying to like learn how to pose.